Hi guys and welcome back to our channel SP Diaries. This is your Papa Casey and as you can see, we are on the road now heading to McDonald's. Tara't mag-ocular tayo and makapag-check na rin ng different food packages nila for Stanley's birthday. So, try na rin natin if makapag-inquire na rin tayo sa mga iba pang mga kakailanganin natin for that special day. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel namin, please do subscribe to SP Diaries and don't forget to hit that notification bell para man lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos natin. So tara guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? Intro, let's go! So here we are at McDonald's and ito raw yung function room na ipapagamit sa atin. Available. As you can notice naman, medyo maliit siya pero pwede na since konti lang naman yung invite natin. So we'll try to check and inquire for more information. Pero tingin ko, since na traffic tayo dito, papunta rito, much better kung kain na muna tayo. And after we eat, tsaka tayo mag-inquire. So let's eat muna. So here we are guys, quick brunch muna. Kain muna sila Stanley, Mama Charmaine, and si Stacy. And of course, meron kaming special guest for today's video, si Daddy. Okay, so right after this, inquire na agad para magawa na yung mga magagawa natin. So yun na nga guys, we're done eating and right now, nag-i-inquire na kami ng mga information about sa party. So, sabi rin sa amin na pwede naman kami mag-add ng decorations sa function room. They just advised us kung ano yung mga hindi pwede, like yung hindi pwede magdikit sa mga wall, sa ceiling. So we can add decoration such as yung mga balloons pero in a form na nakatower siya or siguro may sampayan or basta anything na hindi siya gagamitan ng mga pandikit sa wall or sa ceiling. So they also have different kinds of themes. So they have yung McDonald themes, they call it Happy. They have Coco Melon din. Meron pang isa nakalimutan ko lang. Meron pa silang isa na Madagascar, ayun, Madagascar, and yung isa parang racing theme. So I let Mama Charlene decide what to pick for the theme. Also for the balloon colors kasi syempre inline dapat yung added decoration natin sa mapipili natin theme. So what else? Good thing about the branch, meron na silang projector. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa video, may projector dyan that we can use during the party. And yun nga. So every party, that's good for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So if you will, you can actually add them or extend per hour. Pero it comes for a fee, of course. So yun, napili naming time is yung 1 So that's 1 p.m. to 2:30 kasi it will come after the baptismal around 11:30 a.m. para meron pa kaming enough time mag-prepare sa McDonald's dito. Yon. So, what else? Siguro pakita namin sa inyo yung sinabi namin na one factor that we consider is yung parking nga kasi we needed to consider din yung mga konting guests natin kasi most of the time yun yung nagiging problema yung parking, so try din namin pakita sa inyo in a bit. So what else? The package comes with a free mascot. So alam niyo na kung ang fini-feature nilang mascot ngayon is si Grimace. So, try na lang din namin papanoorin si Stanley ng more videos ni Grimace para hindi naman siya magulat. Kasi natandaan namin before kay Stacy sa Jollibee, medyo na starstruck siya ng konti. Buti hindi siya ganun natakot. So, what else? Yun, we were able to pick food packages. For kids and for adults. So, konti lang naman din yung mga differences nila. And as per them, during the program, if may mga unexpected guests or number of guests, we can always request to add food din naman. So, wala naman din siyang problema. So, all in all, okay naman. The function room can occupy maximum of 80 guests daw. Pero sabi ko nga kanina, hindi naman namin siya pupunuin para medyo maluwag. Kasi our goal is to or for the children to have fun. Yan. So dapat medyo maluwag pa rin ng konti. So, yun lang naman. So pakita ko na sa inyo yung parking area nitong branch na to. So tara. Okay guys, so ito, pakita natin sa inyo yung parking area ng McDonald's branch na nilagay namin. Yan, ito yung sobrang luwag as in. I think it can occupy more than 20 kasi meron pa siya sa likod. So, ayun. Parang half nung lote ng McDonald's is parking lot. Yan, so, yan lang. So again guys, if bago pa lang kayo sa aming channel, please subscribe to SP Diaries and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. So till our next video guys. So bye-bye, adios!